Unlocking the strategy of words. Understanding outflanked. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unfold the layers of a strategic term that has made its way into everyday language: outflanked. Whether you're a chess aficionado, a military history enthusiast, or a business strategist, you might find this term familiar. But what does it really mean in different contexts? And how can you use it in your English conversations? Let's dive in and discover together. Outflanked is a term steeped in military tactics. To outflank means to move around the side of an enemy's defensive position, where they are less protected or expect at the least. Imagine an army taking a secret path through the mountains to appear on the side or behind the opposing forces, catching them by surprise. This move can change the tide of battle and lead to victory. But how did a military term find its way into our daily conversations? When someone says they've been outflanked in a non-military context, they're drawing a metaphorical parallel. It means they've been outmaneuvered or surpassed in a competition or argument, often by an unexpected or clever strategy. For example, in a business setting, a company might outflank its competition by releasing a product that fulfills customer needs in a way no one else has thought of. To master the use of outflanked, let's look at some sentences. In the boardroom, Jenna felt outflanked when her colleague presented a marketing plan that addressed all the issues she hadn't considered. The smaller tech firm outflanked the industry giants by securing a patent on an innovative technology. These examples show how you can use outflanked to describe being surpassed strategically in various scenarios. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and help you better express the concept of being outflanked. Here are a few. Outmaneuvered. This is perhaps the closest in meaning and can be used almost interchangeably. Overshadowed. This implies being surpassed or made to seem less important, but not necessarily by strategy. Upstaged. To be upstaged is to have someone else steal the spotlight, similar to being outflanked in a social or performance context. And that, dear viewers, is how you navigate the strategic waters of the word outflanked. Whether planning your next chess move, debating a topic, or developing a business strategy, you now have a powerful word to describe those moments of clever maneuvering. We hope this video has enriched your English vocabulary and sharpened your communication skills. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep learning and stay curious.